58% battery still, yeah. Alright, let's see how long that lasts.
Just put your hat over it.
Is it impeding the view? No, just my ugly face.
Big enough?
Huh?
The hole?
Yeah.
Don't know.
We'll find out.
We'll find out here shortly.
I'm gonna try once. If it's not, I'll lift out once.
If not, there'll be some cussing and swearing that I'll have to silence.
Do I want to just lift this, put it in the hole, and then lift it off from there? And
might as well.
we kind of want this, the opposite side, facing this way to screw the porcelain things into.
So we got to route 180 it anyway.
Not really 180. Roll it. Just gonna slide back here my foot.
Scared you?
Yeah, I was gonna get my finger pinched.
Okay, up. In truck, get up looking. Hey. How far are we?
My hand down to see.
I feel like I should have gone in the other way. Because one side is longer than the other. I feel like you should have gone in the other way.
Hey, my hand is down here. Well, you pushing on it makes it harder for me to...
Is there a gap at the bottom?
I don't know, I can't get all the way down to the bottom.
It needs to be rotated about 15 degrees.
That's what I said.
Try and lift it out. I don't think it's deep enough. I think it's deep enough. I mean, it's. I mean, here's what? This is like 5 foot here. So there's you got
Oh,
2.5
here,
in.
let me stand next to it.
And what? 5'5" or 5'6"?
I'm 5'5". So it's like probably 5'6"-ish.
Yeah, so you got 2.5. It's 8 foot, so you got 2.5 in. We're gonna try and lift her out and dig a little more. Dig it a little wider so we can rotate it and line it up properly so we get the insulators in correctly. Ready?
No. Can you grab him yet? Are you lifting?
I'm trying to find perches. Where's Jared when you need him?
Occupied him.
Fuck.
Well, stick the stick down there. See if there's a gap between the bottom and the...
Stick ain't gonna tell you that.
Well, if you, like, lean it to the side, you can see if it's all the way to the ground.
I think it's in deep enough. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's a matter we gotta get it fucking rotate. Seems to me to knock that corner.
I think you should have it this way, because this side is longer. So it should be like...
Well, we want this side because we're gonna put the stuff in on this side. The little ceramic things like around the vegetable garden, the corners.
Oh, yeah, they're going to be...
Insulators. So we gotta get it so that it's straight, so that it comes through the insulator, so the wire doesn't touch wood here to there.
Itself out.
So you need to take this,
Knock that corner away.
I was thinking if we take this from the other direction, if we took this and tie this onto here, where's your loop? Where's your loop? Right there. Put the loop through it. And put your, just bring the rope around the other side. No. Well, that might work. That might work. Here. Put your loop in there. Take this and go around that side. Like around it. This through here. Okay, pull that tight. I'll wrap this around here, around there, around the pole this way.
Back around the other direction?
Yep. And then wrap that around. Get tight. Just needs to be tight there. Go back around to your side. No, you gotta go around that way. So you pull against it. That way. No, you want to go just around it that way. And around that end again. Hold that tight. Hold that real tight. Loop's too loose.
I can retie the loop.
Okay.
Doodly-doo.
Or just get the loop all together and use the other end to tie a slip knot or something, or tie a knot on so we can put it on the end of this, then do what we had before.
Just tie a little loop through this to through that.
Yep.
Rope likes to misbehave.
Okay. Right through here.
There.
And go back and forth over the end. On that one. You gotta go all the way around. You can't loop that way. You gotta go all the way over and then put that loop over that end and bring it back. And around this one. Back again. Around that one. And over tight. So you can hold it tight or line.
Rena?
Look on the side of this.
Yeah.
See if it sights up to the bars.
Is this face in line with the line of bars?
It's a little angled.
Which way?
Too much?
Mm-hmm.
Back this way.
What's that?
That's better.
More?
I think that's fine.
Yeah, that should be good. That's good. I like that. Okay. So now we can.
He didn't bring the leveling device here. He's leaning towards me a lot.
How is it plumb? And it's got to go back, lean towards you just a hair, but it'll be fine wherever it's at. Those things stick out a bit. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna put them on this end of it anyway. So you can see where we're at going this other direction.
Well, you just had to move it back from the other direction.
Looking at the other ones.
You're
You have a
sweaty.
shovel to fill the hole?
Fine. I think that's good there.
We didn't bring the shovel to the camp down this time.
Are you gonna fill the
We're
hole?
too busy doing that. Reverse use this.
Or you can go get a shovel in the camp.
If I go back up, I ain't come back down. All my hard work.
You are doing hard work, and we're very
We can
appreciative.
take this stuff off.
That's all my hard work. Now all the rocks just going back in again.
Yep.
That's
You like
the
being in the
idea.
army now? Dig a hole, fill a hole. Dig a hole, fill a hole.
There. Ow!
I don't think you need to hold it.
What you do?
He stabbed me with the pointy end right in my freaking forearm.
Twice.
Twice.
Twice. Got him twice. Very helpful.
that already makes my eyes hate me.
The dirt's not gonna piss your eyes off. It's just dry. I hear a breeze a coming.
Hurricane a coming.
You're not wrong. Alright, tamper in.
You know where that's from, right?
If you tell me, I will remember, yes, but I can
The very, 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 I mean, very beginning of Little Mermaid.
Yeah. Rode the branch down.
Like, and I mean,
Didn't stick.
the very beginning of Little Mermaid. That might be the first scene of Little Mermaid.
Yeah, 'cause that's how she gets washed up on shore, right?
No, it's she saves him.
Oh, that's right. He gets blown out. Yeah.
That's how he knows she exists.
Okay. Need more materials? More dirt.
That's how, well, he knows she exists. That's how she's a mermaid, though. And then she goes on land because she makes a deal with Ursula.
Mm-hmm. Get old cracked wood out of here. Old cracked wood not help. Rock. I'm gonna have really fun digging that rock back up in 35 years.
Have fun with that. I ain't doing it.
Kids, you better teach your kids well.
Alright.
Sometimes they don't learn.
Camp more.
Oh. And yes, YouTube, the pry bar is not the greatest camp, but we're not gonna go fetch the tent.
Let's see, where you at? Are you level? You plumb?
It looks pretty
Okay,
good.
Move out of the way. You're right in my sight
Move
line.
out of the way.
In my sight line.
Good.
Your butt crack
Like-
don't make it.
I like
How
being
come
in the
it
way.
turned?
Huh?
It rotated back.
No.
Probably because you knocked it.
Fucking rotated back this way.
You ain't gonna get to it. Just to come out here with a file and file the edge back.
I'll just make sure we put the insulator. Just gonna have to go here and go close to this side. It'll be fine.
You can always go cut some little chunks of wood to make the insulator stand off.
The insulator's only got screws for like 2 inches.
Well, then you put bigger screws through it.
You can't. They're molded into the porcelain.
I did fucking rotate back.
Yeah.
I know.
I don't think we're gonna get it to turn now.
No.
Yeah. Have fun with that.
I'm not digging it back out, so.
Nope. Where'd that breeze and that cloud go? What the hell?
I need to sneeze.
It was just trickery. It's nothing but sorcery.
It was a tease.
This is what it could happen. Will it happen? No.
Yeah, give it another.
Alright.
Time is it?
Timpy tampy.
10:30. Give it another 3 hours. And it'll be quite moist. Or it'll miss us completely. Take you out. Welcome to the finicky weather of the Rocky Mountains in springtime.
Having fun?
Oh, to be a bumblebee.
Yeah. And going extinct.
We don't know that.
I don't know. But I don't want to be one.
You ain't living very long anyway.
Well, but I'll be in a bumblebee.
Uh-huh.
Hey, another reason not to be a bumblebee. I can be an animal. I can be a tortoise.
Life is so simple.
I can be a tortoise. All you do is walk around and eat lettuce.
Yeah, for 200 fucking
Yeah,
years.
sounds great.
I'll pass on that until someone comes scoops you up and turns you into soup.
Just gotta live on the Galapagos.
Yeah, Galapagos tortoise.
Galapagos, you're safe.
Galapagos tortoise.
There's only like 5 of them left.
Now there's a bunch.
There's a bunch of them. Lived for,
There was
500
one I
lived
watched
for 150 years.
on YouTube. I was watching a couple of tortoise rescue ones.
Mm-hmm.
They rescue tortoises that have been on top of roofs in New York City for over 60 years, just crawling around on the roof.
That's
And they
depressing.
have just one little shelter. One of them didn't even have a shelter, and the guy would like go up and give it some water and food like once a month.
That's depressing. I'd buy a
It was
rescue
It was
tortoise.
horrible.
We'll have a big enough yard
And they
for a
they're
rescue
all,
tortoise.
their shells and the shit are, and the beaks are all,
Just deteriorating.
Well, just-
gross.
yeah, they're just
'Cause they're not
gross.
getting the
And
calcium
They,
right.
they bring them back into the rescue place, and get them back and you show a picture, 6 months later,
How much
a
is
year
that
later.
better?
Oh yeah, all their beaks are going back in straight, and they're
Yeah.
Their
Fix
shells
the
have got
shells.
color back in them, and
In Hawaii, at the Honolulu Zoo, they have
they have a shitload
they have
of
like
them.
3 or 4.
They have a lot. They have. There's.
That's because they used to let them import them things to Hawaii.
And a couple of them were over 100 years old.
A
One was
couple
like,
of them was 150 years
yeah,
old.
one of them was 150.
And those
They
damn
used to
things
bring
like
'em
4
in.
feet across.
Well, like sea turtles, they live forever too. Turtles in general live a while. Even just the normal tiny box turtles still live like 40 years.
Yeah. And
The
you know
ones
what?
The ones that are like this big.
They're a lot less noisy than a goddamn parrot. Although,
I follow someone on Facebook. She has like, I don't know what, they're like this big. I don't know what kind of tortoises they are. But she has like 6 of them, 6 or 7 of them that just wander in their backyard, and then she just puts them inside at night.
I follow somebody on Instagram that has a bigger like African desert tortoise,
Mm-hmm.
and he likes destroying the patio furniture. If you leave your chair in the wrong spot, he's dumping it over, and he knows his name when he's getting yelled at too. His name's like Frank or something. And she'll yell at him, and he'll stop, and he'll kind of turn his head sideways a little bit.
And
Fuck
continue.
you, and go back at it.
Are you coming after me? No. Are you gonna stop my food? Yeah, no. You love me too much.
You left your chair in my spot.
I wouldn't mind having
I
turtle
know.
of
I
some
totally
sort.
want.
If I would
Sorry?
have, if I would have an animal, it's not like a cat or a dog. It'd be a turtle
Yeah, it's gonna be a tortoise, but it's gonna be a rescue.
or some sort of a turtle.
I'm not gonna add to the exotic animal trade, but I will rescue one.
Oh, is that one solid? Is it shaky, shaky?
Here, try kicking it.
Put your best karate kick. Your best John Von Clam Dem.
Bruce Lee
Your
Jackie
best-
Chan?
Your best Chuck Norris.
or that. Try punching it.
There's a lot of
Come
air.
down
I'm
here
still
and
knocking
work
off.
out every day. Ha, 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 ha.
Be rest Kung Fu Panda. Or are you wearing black and gray? It's close enough.
Just give me a nice brightly colored sash.
Sash? Oh,
Nice silk sash around my waist.
I'll feed you dumplings. It'll be Po.
I'm down.
Feed you dumplings, call you Po.
Dumplings and sushi sound pretty good right about
Be,
now.
ooh, sushi.
That was Jackson. Block away from Starbucks and a sushi joint with his new house.
Oh, poor Allie, she can't have either of them.
No, she's gotta wait another 4 months yet.
Well, she can have Starbucks, not coffee. She's having with caffeine. We're very limited caffeine. She gets 1 coffee a week.
You don't want a cracked out baby.
You can have caffeine, you just have to limit it.
Yeah.
Like greatly limit it. And no energy drinks. The only caffeine you can have is tea and coffee, but limited.
How the hell we run out of dirt?
Because it's all spit all over everywhere. There's a lot of the stick come out.
I know.
So probably
Lot-
a 4-inch,
the-
5-inch diameter stick
Yeah,
come
the
out.
bottom foot of it was all rotted away wood.
Yeah, we put back a huge goddamn post in the middle of it. You didn't run out. You just gotta
Gather it.
leave it up. It keeps rolling downhill. You didn't pick the flat spot. You didn't put it in.
I just put it where the pile was already being made.
You didn't put it in a bucket. Didn't put it on a tarp.
Hey, Dad?
Huh?
Your hand truck's rusting through.
Yeah,
Oh, that thing.
I'm sure it happened before it got moved in Monday.
Probably.
Yes, it was, started out that way before it come here. But it did its job today.
Yeah, it didn't crumple.
Alright, I bring